By Portland's South Park blocks, Michael fights through his grief.
I want to cry. I do, but I'm damn near all cried out.
He can't count the number of friends he's lost to fentanyl.
It's the cold thing out here, man.
It's one reason he turns to the drug.
I've lost myself due to overdose quite a few times.
He tries to remember how many as his buddy, covered in blankets, smokes fentanyl powder off foil.
At this point, I would say 6, approximately. Yeah.
This week, and for the first time, the Multnomah County Health Department released a report on the number of people who have died from a fentanyl overdose.
We want to validate the community's experience.
In the past 5 years, 868 people have died from a fentanyl overdose in Multnomah County. Here's the yearly breakdown. You can see the numbers increase year after year. In 2018, 30 people died, but jump to 2023, where preliminary data shows more than 300 deaths.
I feel like our city and just the general public as a whole has pretty much failed to get a grasp on how to help people who are struggling with this.
The report also breaks the numbers into demographics.
It allows us also to provide transparency for the information that we have so that the community has the same information that we have.
Of the total deaths, 228 were female and 640 were male. More than half of all deaths were white men and people between the ages of 18 and 44. Last year, 25% of those deaths were homeless people, like Ian, who at 30 years old collects these bags of cans, soon to be returned for drug money.
I view this drug as a shackle in my life, that every day I wake up and I have to figure out how I'm going to fix my problem of getting sick if I don't use. It's just like I'm shackled to it. I'm stuck.
Are you afraid it's going to kill you?
No, I have no fear of dying.
All right, so the report shows that the majority of fentanyl overdoses have happened in 2 downtown Portland neighborhoods, Old Town and the Pearl District. Now, for some broader context, Multnomah County, while it doesn't have the highest rate of overdoses in the country, it has surpassed King County in Washington and is now not far behind that of San Francisco. Tim, Stephanie?
Blair, important information, but so tough. Thank you very much.